Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2014 Chevy Equinox LT. This front wheel drive vehicle has 76,879 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. This Equinox comes with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, your back tinted windows, and 17-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have cloth seating that's gray, black with a red lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.